How to fix no service on iPhone. To fix the no service issue on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to make all the primary changes to your iPhone. Then, scroll down to the cellular option and tap on it. After that, tap on Cellular Data Options. Once you're in, tap on the Voice and Data option from here. Then, tap on 5G on. Then, hit backspace twice. And tap on the Network Selection option from here. Make sure the Automatic Network Selection option is toggled on. Now, minimize the application. And drag down the control center from the upper right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the airplane icon. Again, tap on the icon to disable the airplane mode. Now, your issue with the service will be resolved. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix the no service issue on your iPhone.